Well, good morning team. We're here with poor old Shadow, who unfortunately suffered a bit of misadventure a few weeks back. I was away, so not my fault. Luckily, someone else's insurance is covering this. But that's not what I want to talk to you about. What I actually want to talk to you about is this. So because of the incident, it was parked up for a few weeks, and when I just came to check on it, it's got mold on the rug, and if you lift this up, we have moisture in the carpet. And that is a surefire sign of a clogged sunroof drains. So let's have a look at the sunroof drains in a Tesla Model S. So here we are, our sunroof is open, and if you have a look, this is the same with pretty much any car. I've done it on a few cars before, but for the Model S, in each corner down in here, you have a sunroof drain, and see this standing water there? That's bad. If we have a look on this side, it's also got a little bit of water in there, but just there where my finger is the drain. So to prove our point, I've got some water here, and I'm going to pour that in, and under normal circumstances, that should run away almost instantly. But it's not. So there's a few different ways you can clear these out. Some people like to use compressed air. You can also use like trimmer line, you know, some stiff line that you can shove down there and try and clear it out. I've had limited success with those, and I'm apprehensive about using compressed air because that can actually blow your drain lines apart inside the A-pillars and things like that. So I try and avoid the compressed air, and what I've found works for me is a large syringe, and this is actually an animal feeder tube on there, but any kind of tube that will go inside the drain hole. So what you actually want to do is, rather than pump water through it, you want to agitate the water in there backwards and forwards. I'm going to open it and close it and open it and close it, two hands, as fast as I can, and try and get some movement in the water there to clear out whatever gunk's in the line. And there it goes. I've just heard it give. So that always seems to work for me, because usually what it is it's grime and grease that comes out of your sunroof rails and things slowly and goes in here. And so usually, because when the sunroof is closed, when it's raining, it's not normally leaves and sticks and gunk and chunky things. It's usually that kind of grime and grease and dirt. And so that little bit of agitation has worked for me a lot in the past. And to prove my point, let's put some water in here now. And see just how quickly that runs away. We're gone. And there it is, all coming out the bottom the way it should. So there we go, easy fix, but better yet, don't be like me and wait for them to clog up. You can actually service those just by running some warm water or using that syringe to put some pressure water down there and just flush those out before they clog, and then that way you don't have the issue at all. Stupid me, I actually suspected mine were getting clogged. I heard the water swishing around one day and thought I should look at those. I didn't, and now I've got wet carpet. So last thing, get the old moldy rug out of there. We'll give that a clean. This isn't too bad, but we'll blot it dry and let it properly dry in the sun. And that was all, just a quick one. Don't be like me, keep your sunroof drains clean. Bye bye.